Is this the best wireless lavalier mic for your camera? Well, that's what we're going to find out, and I'm going to give you my conclusive results by the end of this video. But before we do all that, I'm going to show you how to hook all this up so you can get the best sound possible. So let's get into it. All right, so this lavalier mic is called the PQRPQ, and it comes in a set of 2, but we're only going to use one. And this is the receiver, and we're going to try it on the Canon T3i, which is an older DSLR camera, and it accepts external mics. So let's hook that up. Let me show you exactly how that works. So on the Canon, you're going to find your mic input right here. So this is where you want to put the receiver part of your microphone right here. Okay, so we're going to hook that up. Here's the interesting part. You don't need any special drivers. The camera will detect this right away and you'll be able to roll. So I already have mine on, and you can see it's turned on. You can see it's represented by this blue light, meaning that it's on. And then on the receiver itself, we can see that it's lit up green. That means it's accepting the signal. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to record a little video with the mics from the camera first, and then we're going to see what the lavalier mic sounds like wirelessly. I'm going to step back 10 feet and we're going to check out this sound. So let's get to it. I'm excited. Let's listen to this. Okay, now that we successfully connected our wireless lavalier mic, I'm just talking in a normal voice. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Let's listen to it. I'm going to step back, and about 10 feet away, we're going to listen to the sound. Audio check. Audio check 1, 2. Now I'm standing about 10 feet away. Audio check 1, 2, 3. And let me run back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'm going to unplug the mic, and we're going to listen to the sound of the camera by the mics themselves without the lavalier mic. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, we have now disconnected the wireless lavalier mic, and this is just the sound from the camera. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm just talking in the same normal voice. I did raise the level just a little bit. Audio check 1, 2, 3. I'm going to run back. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Let's listen to the sound. Audio check 1, 2, 3 from far away. These are just from the Canon mics. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So here are my results, and what do I think about this lavalier mic? Well, I think it's pretty good. So on the Canon T3i, it worked great. No issues at all. But one bonus tip that I want to give you, just in case the lavalier mic is too loud, so you can just go under menu. Under menu for the Canon T3i. We're going to go under sound recording and see right there, audio check 1, 2. We're just going to go to this part here level, and you can just bring that level up or down. You see how if I bring it down, audio check 1, 2, 3, audio check, so it's not going to clip. So yeah, that's a bonus tip for you to make sure that you are not clipping and your sound sounds too harsh. You can just turn that down as much as you need to see, so it's not red. But if I turn it up, we got 1, 2, 3 audio check. Now it's all red, and that's not a good sign, because that means your sound's not going to be as good as you can possibly get it. So you just want to turn down that level, audio check 1, 2, 3, and you just set it, and it's ready to go. And you can just go back to recording your movie, and that's it. That's my thoughts on the mini lavalier mic. All right, let me know if you found that useful. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the results. Go back and listen to it, see what you think. As far as how it sticks out, it might stick out a little too far, but is that an issue for you? I'm not sure. Do you have a Canon T3i? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, are you interested in another video with a different microphone on the DSLR camera? Check it out right here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.